we're gonna unturbulate those Twitter tips. Yeah, guys, so let's get our ticket Touque on now. Looking awesome, guys. You know what? That brings us to tip number 1. Come on, guys, support my favorite game, Overwatch.
Bingo!
Just kidding, guys. Tip number 1. Now I know it's pretty basic, but you guys gotta remember, guys, you gotta keep on. I know people, they spam retweets all the freaking time, but no, guys, you really gotta leave comments and gently talk to people, because engagement is key. Because if you keep on talking to people, people are gonna be like, hey, this guy actually listens, and they're actually gonna stop by your Twitter. And I'll get into the second one. The second one's gonna be juicy. So you know what, guys? Just keep on commenting. And I know dropping a like is so easy, guys, but come on, you gotta leave a comment. Have some balls, step up and talk, man. So guys, that brings us to number 2. Now, number 2 is a very, very, very good one, right? I love this one. This one, the reason why I didn't give this number 1, because number 1, it was just a taste. Okay, so number 2. Now, you have to make sure that, okay, when you post something, whether it's on Instagram or a video on YouTube or Twitter, you're doing a streaming video on Twitter, hey, you gotta make sure that you gotta make that gripping. You gotta be able to grab people's attention, because you know what? Okay, this is what it comes down to. I know it's so easy to have it linked up to your Twitter, and you know, oh my god, it's linked up on Twitter, oh my god! Well, you know what? It's not that easy. Well, anyways, I'm gonna tell you something that's gonna be gold, right? Make sure, okay, I'm gonna use an example for this, okay? If I was gonna say that in Grand Theft Auto 5, mind you, Grand Theft Auto 5, don't quote me on this, because I know they don't exist, but anyways, Grand Theft Auto 5, well, they do exist, but I'll say they don't exist in the game. But anyways, Grand Theft Auto 5, if I had made a gameplay of me jumping over that goddamn New York State Bridge with a freaking unicorn with rainbows coming out of its ass, trust me, if I had a picture made up on a program that was like of me riding a unicorn, trust me, that's gonna be a lot of Photoshop, okay? But no, me riding a unicorn with rainbows coming out of its ass and explosions everywhere. You know what? If you post that, pin that in a normal tweet, and then post your link of the video of you playing gameplay of you with a unicorn. I'm not sure it happens, but a unicorn. You know what? Everyone that follows you is gonna see that at least once in their feed. Yeah, and if they find it interesting, hey, they're gonna retweet that. So guys, really make use of your tweets, because I know I've used a lot of tweets in the past. I've used a lot of tweets in my time on Twitter, but guys, it's really important that you guys really look at your tweets. And if you wanna, the 2 things on Twitter that are shown in it's not spam. Spam or clickbait is more like porn crap. I'm sorry, but sorry, Overwatch. Yes, sorry, I love this Overwatch. I'm sorry, Diva. Anyways, but no, seriously, like, you really gotta, it's like advertisement. It's really key. Like, you gotta know that, hey, if someone wants to click that, they want to be interested in that. If they see a photo of something that's gonna get their attention, it's videos and photos that are shown mainly on Twitter. So guys, make use of that knowledge and then put that to good terms, and make more tweets, and then tweet your links of your videos or of whatever you're gonna show, and also make a really eye-capturing photo. And that takes us to number 3, okay guys? And down in the description below, I have some good free references like Canva. There's a bunch of really good free imaging creating devices out there. Not all of them are free, but I'll say this: I'll put a few down in the description below for you to find. You guys can utilize. So guys, now that brings us to number 3 on top of your analytics, because when you go to your analytics and you look at that weird graph, I know it scares you. It's like, oh my god! But no, you should really look into it. and really pay attention to it, because it also deals with audience, like your audience that are watching. Like, it's the impressions. The more impressions and the more tweets that you do a day, the more impressions you're gonna get. If you stay on top of things and stay solid, because sometimes you gotta find out, you gotta look at the small stuff. You gotta be like, by what time is it good to post? Hey, I don't know, maybe I'll look at the graph. So if you go into your analytics, hey, definitely do some research on that, and then find out what's your ideal time to post something on Twitter. Because you know what, then you're gonna get more people impressions, and then more people watching it, more people that see it, and they're gonna share it to their friends, and their friends are gonna like, and then it's gonna keep on and on and on. It's a cycle! Yes, Mufasa! Number 4, networking. It's all great. There's many organizations out there, but you gotta realize that you gotta find out what's the best one for you, because a lot of them out there, I know, because I've met a few, and I'll say this, I've met many that they just didn't work out for me. Hey, no hard feelings, man. I'm not saying that they're bad guys, just it didn't work for me. But I'll say this, guys, you really gotta find a group that you support and make sure that they are actually believing in, like, I know everyone says small streamers and everything, and it's small streamers, it's all great, but I'm saying that guys, you gotta find the right organization, the right network that's standing up for you. Number 5! Now, number 5 is, yes, guys, I know when it comes down to DMing and direct messaging, if you don't know what that stands for, but I'll say that stop auto messaging. Okay, now I understand, okay, how you can tell an auto message, right? An auto message is a message that is automated, and you'll get it in your direct messages, and the second line or the second thing said will be sending you to a link, guys. I know when it comes to links, it's all great and dandy, but guys, just like any other platform, be respectful. And guys, leave the auto messaging out, because the auto messaging, that's what just, you know, it pops up on my screen when I get a direct message, like, oh my god, that's disgusting. But I'll say this, guys, really put in some time and chat with the person. You know what? Not just look at the profile, actually look and check out their content. That's the main thing that people want you to do, is check out their content. Yo, see what's up, see what they're about. And yes, make a connection. That's all what we're trying to do on Twitter, guys. But no, guys, if you follow these steps, guys, you will draw more attention to your Twitter, and it will slowly grow. I can't say it'll happen overnight, like bam, bam. No, it happened like that. No, it won't. But I'll say this, guys, you get into a habit of doing it, you'll slowly understand that, you know what, you'll slowly get more engagement into your Twitter, and just hard work. That's what it is, guys. Hard work. I'll see you guys next time, guys. See you guys. If you want to see some more tips, hey, you know, check out more of my tips in my Touque tips playlist. Or, you know what? Hey, stop by around my podcast. You know what? Tazwhole's Tubecast. So I'll see you guys next time, guys. See you guys. And brought to you by Canada.